Today I've got 5 big announcements for you and 2 rumors. You don't want to miss a single minute of this video. What we're going to announce today is exclusive Go Small, Live Large tickets for this audience for the Peace, Love, and Vans Campout event in March 2025. Announcement number 2 is Embassy RV has launched the Cape Cod B Plus van. If you have not seen that yet, OMG, you don't want to miss a single minute of that. Announcement number 3 is we're going to do a roundup, that's a meet and greet, in Sarasota, Florida on July 17 at the Vanlife Outfitters Open House. And announcement number 4 is Roadtrek. You know, the first van builder, they're celebrating their 50th anniversary. They're having a Roadtrek owner rally near Toronto on August 13. Details on that. And the 5th and final announcement is there's a van camp in Wisconsin, in Oshkosh, in late August. All these events are listed on my website, Go Small, Live Large. If we're meeting for the first time, howdy. My name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Go Small, Live Large, all about compact travel so you can have bigger experiences. Let's get into announcement number 1. So welcome to my van. This is Miss Lily. I traveled for 5 years, living full-time from this van from February 2019 until April 2024. It's been quite a ride, now doing more part-time, but the announcement here is about Peace, Love, and Vans. In March 2025, they're going to produce their 3rd massive van camp event. This last year, 2024, they had about 400 vans. In 2025, they're expecting nearly 500 vans for a 4-day event. It's pretty massive. Talk about a small city. The challenge is that the previous 2 years, they sold out before the event even got close. Kind of angered a lot of folks. So what they did is they're releasing tickets in batches this year. They're releasing an exclusive batch for Go Small, Live Large viewers like you that want to attend this event. We have a large batch of tickets available only through Go Small, Live Large. Those tickets will go on sale on Monday, July 8, 2024 at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to show you how to get the tickets because only with this special code do you get the rights to buy one of those tickets. It's pretty exciting. So this is the website. This is peacelovevans.com. And there's all the information here you need to know about this awesome van camp event. Right here it says, here's the schedule. It's pretty cool. Here's the maps. Here is what it looks like. And what we want to focus on is this area right here. This is the Go Small, Live Large area. This is Birds of a Feather. And then this entire section here, this is the Groovy Grove Campground. So we've got tickets allocated for this section and we've got tickets allocated for this section. It's a first come, first serve. Let's go back. What I want to do is show you how to get tickets, and they are right here under camping tickets. So here's the process. They kind of explain this. This is what we're after right here, Groovy Grove or Birds of a Feather. See that right there? And here's the pricing, and you can see that for yourself. So again, the way they're doing it this year is in batches, and it's a pretty smart way to do it. Here they talk about the batch system, and this is the one we're in right here, Partners of Peace, Love, and Vans. So what you want to do on July 8, 8 a.m. is click on, wait for it, Birds of a Feather. And you click on Add to Cart. And then here's a password. And this is the password. I'm going to show it for you right here. You're going to type this password in and then press enter. So I'm going to put all the instructions right here for you so you can learn how to do it step by step. You enter the password twice, and that code is exclusive to Go Small, Live Large viewers. Thank you, team at Vanlife Outfitters, for giving us some special treatment. This will be our 3rd year being involved with them, so we really do appreciate it. So 8 a.m., July 8, set a calendar reminder and follow the steps here and buy your tickets for the Peace, Love, and Vans March 2025. Announcement number 2. This announcement has to do with our great partner, Embassy RV. They've been working with for about 5 years. They have launched their Cape Cod. This is a B+ rig. It is unlike any B+ rig you've ever seen before. There's no slide outs, there's no awnings, there's no black tank, and it's really well built. If you found a van to be too small, but you don't want the big, classy, traditional looking RV, and you don't want slide outs, you don't want any wood, you don't want any black tank, you've looked at the Winnebago Echo and said, this should be on your list. Let me show you this. So in your browser, just type in embasssyrv.com. It takes you right here. The Cape Cod is front and central, which is pretty awesome. Not only do they make traditional B vans, 3 floor plans, 3 chassis, Sprinter, Transit, ProMaster. They've created this brand new one. This is on a Sprinter, this is on a Transit cutaway chassis. There's no wood in the Embassy RV of either flavor. This is really cool. Let's click on this. And it talks about their new launch. And if you're not familiar with Embassy RV, many of you have learned about Embassy from this channel, Go Small, Live Large. We've done a lot of content with Terry Minix, VP at Embassy, and we couldn't be more proud to be initially involved with this build process. A lot of consumer feedback. So we've had a little bit of part of this for a long time, and I'm just really proud of them for getting this out. Stay tuned. I'm going to share with you where you can see this. But here they got all the specs. They've actually got some interior photos, which is pretty awesome. So this is the galley. This here is the Lavio dry flush toilet. It's a little hard to see in here, but this actually slides out from underneath that wall, and that's where the shower is. So you close the door, you pull the toilet out, you use the toilet, waterless flush it, no black tank in an Embassy RV, you slide the toilet back in, and now you've got a full-size, really large shower, and it's a dry bath in the same space. Very, very cool. Here's one of the twin beds in the back of the rig. Here's our massive lithium system that's included. Here's the control panels. Very technologically advanced RV. And again, it's so unlike anything else on the market. It's very European in nature. Bold colors, schemes, but very neutral at the same time. I just really love this part right here where it is almost like an airplane roof. There's the 2 twin beds, pretty awesome. Couch. Again, these little cubbies here, just really well done. This is our massive TV up here. Kind of a highlight of this. So we just couldn't be more proud of Embassy RV and really bringing something fresh and new to the market. And pass-through storage, it goes on both sides of the rig, pretty amazing. So that's what we wanted to show you today is the Embassy RV Cape Cod. And if you are learning about Embassy RV for the first time, or even the second, third, 15th time, and you're reaching out to them, this is the best way to do it. Name, email, put a message, tell them you found out about Embassy through Go Small, Live Large. My name's Scott Watson, and they'll treat you extra special. And let's just go back here, and just again, we've been working with them for a long time, and it's just an honor to help build the Embassy RV family. So that's our second big announcement. The Cape Cod is now real and really special. Pretty cool, right? So where can you see this bad boy in person? 2 ways. One, you can make an appointment at Embassy RV and then drive or fly to Elkhart, Indiana. This is the headquarters of Embassy RV. The other way is this. You can go see this at the Adventure Van Expo in Lake Tahoe, California. Let me show you that. Adventure Van Expo. Cleverly, that's the name of the website, adventurevanexpo.com. Just go right up here to Expos, and you can see right here, North Lake Tahoe, September 14. Come on, there it is, 14, 15. If you're in the area, buy a ticket right here and go see the Cape Cod by Embassy at the Adventure Van Expo. Announcement number 3 is we're doing a roundup in Sarasota, Florida. What is a roundup? Well, that's what I call meet and greets. What's cool is we are piggybacking on the open house at Vanlife Outfitters. They're the producers of the Peace, Love, and Vans Campout event every year, coming up on their third year next year, 2025. They're doing an open house Wednesday, July 17, 2024 from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. The tickets are free. They are doing a potluck. They are doing van tours, including mine. I'm going to be there on site, and they're going to be a guest, and maybe some of you be a guest, talking about van travel, what kind of van you're looking for on my YouTube live program called What's Up Wednesday. That happens at 7 p.m. Eastern. Coming up on Return 2 weekly shows, and we are really excited to stream live from the event and meet and greet you as well. Announcement number 4 is pretty special. This is the Roadtrek Owner Rally this August. It's August 13th to the 15th. It's near Toronto, Canada. It's for Roadtrek van owners only. That's kind of the caveat. But if you're a Roadtrek fan or a Roadtrek owner, they're celebrating their 50th anniversary. They were the first van builders. They got a lot of activities. They got factory tours. They're expecting over 100 vans to attend. That's pretty awesome. And the rumor is, our first rumor to share with you is, I might be attending. It'd be great to see you there at the Roadtrek Owners Rally. We'll put the URL right here. It's very cleverly named, rally.roadtrek.com. You don't want to miss this. There's only 37 days until that event, and pretty excited about that. 5th announcement. You ready? And 2nd rumor. Our 5th and final announcement is there's a van camp happening in Oshkosh, Wisconsin on August 22nd to 25. We want to give a big shout out to Audience Angels April and Sherry for setting this up. Rumor number 2 is I might be attending. I am super excited. This is how you find it right here. It's a jot form telling you all about it and the sign up. I'm really proud of the gals for putting this together. They've been talking about that for a long time. I'm hoping I can support that by showing up. But if you want to get on the list and get going, Oshkosh Van Campout, it's going to be really great. What do you think of my new digs? Yeah, if you haven't seen my video on how I moved out of my van and into my 40-foot trailer as part of new home camp, be an honor to have you watch that video. So those are our 5 big announcements. It sure be an honor to have you join our Go Small Live Large community. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and if you want to get even deeper into it, we have a Patreon community that's really tight and share a lot of stuff there. Go to patreon.com/Go Small Live Large. What we love to do is say journey on and peace be with you. We'll see you soon in person or on your small screen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hey, you made it to the end. Appreciate that. Put the finish flag right here to let me know you made it to the end. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.